Replace a shutoff valve during renovation when its age, stiffness, or visible deterioration means repair will not reliably prevent sudden failure and water damage. Inspect the valve for dry or cracked gaskets, mineral buildup, persistent leaks, or extreme stiffness that requires excessive force to operate, because these are clear indicators the internal components are compromised. If the valve was installed before 20 years ago or shows brass corrosion at the stem or body, plan replacement rather than a temporary repair, since internal seals may fail without warning. Upgrade to a quarter-turn ball valve whenever possible, because it provides a positive open and close position, reduces future maintenance, and simplifies emergency shutoff for homeowners and contractors. When replacing, shut the main supply and drain the line, then clean the pipe end of solder or compression debris so the new joint seats correctly. For sweat fittings, use proper flux and solder techniques. And for compression fittings, ensure ferrules are undamaged and tightened to the correct spec without over-torquing. Always keep a compression cap on hand when you are unsure about operating an old valve during renovation, so you can isolate the line quickly and safely without risking the whole system. Test the new valve under normal system pressure and run fixtures to confirm there are no hidden leaks before finishing walls or cabinets. Common mistakes include reusing an old valve because it still turns, which leaves worn gaskets that can fail after drywall is closed up. Replace the valve if there is any doubt. Another is choosing a like-for-like globe or multi-turn valve when a quarter-turn ball valve would give more reliable service and easier emergency shutoff. Prefer quarter-turn ball valves for remodels. A third mistake is improper joint prep, leading to leaks after replacement. So always clean pipe ends, follow manufacturer torque and soldering guidance, and pressure test before concealing the repair. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for plumbing upgrades and maintenance, and shows contractor profiles and project examples so we can match needs to skills. We also host a discussion community where we all share tips, ask questions, and connect homeowners and contractors about real-world solutions.